What if beauty did not fade with time but evolved into something even more powerful? Welcome back to Insta Fashion Glow, the place where confidence meets elegance and age become a symbol of strength, not limitation. Today we begin a new journey with a woman who is redefining modern beauty standards and inspiring thousands across the world. Meet Gabi, a stunning Instagram model, a creative digital influencer, and a true icon of natural beauty over 40. Gabi is not just another face on social media, she is a statement with her unique pixie style, glowing skin, and confident presence. She proved that the beauty is not about age but about attitude and self expression. Her Instagram profile reflects creativity, passion, and authenticity for fashion, inspiration to makeup, artistry, and lifestyle content. Gabi shares a world where elegance meets everyday life. What makes her truly stand out is her fearless individuality, whether she showcasing a bold hairstyle, a minimal makeup look, or a stylish outfit. She always stays true to herself, and the authenticity is exactly why so many women contact with her. Her style influence. Gabi fashion sense is a perfect blend of modern trends and timeless elegance. She embraces simplicity yet adds a touch of boldness that makes every look unforgettable. Her pixie haircut is not just a hairstyle, it's a symbol of confidence. It represents freedom, self love, and the courage to embrace change. For many women over 40, Gabi has become a source of inspiration to step out their comfort zones and rediscover the identity. Beyond fashion, Gabi also shares makeup tutorials, beauty tips, and lifestyle moments that feel real and relatable. She does not promote perfection, she celebrates authenticity. And in a world full of filters and unrealistic standards, that message truly matters. What we learn from Gabi. So, what can we learn from Gabi? Gabi inspiring journey. First, confidence is the real beauty secret. When you believe in yourself, it reflects in everything you do. Second, age just a number. Style, elegance, and self-expression have no limits. Third, simplicity can be powerful. You don't need to overdo things. Something less is more. And finally, always stay authenticity. Be yourself, embrace your uniqueness, and never be afraid to stand out. Inspiration for women. Gabi journey is more than just social media success. It's a reminder that life does not stop at 40. In fact, of many women, it's just the beginning. She inspires women to embrace the natural beauty, take care of themselves, and most importantly, feel confident in their own skin. You don't need to change. You are too beautiful. You just need to believe in yourself. And that what makes Gabi not just a model but a role model. Here at Insta Fashion Glow, we celebrate stories like Gabi, stories that empower, inspire, and redefine beauty for a new generation. If her journey inspired by you today, let us know in the comments what do you love most about her style and confidence. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories for timeless beauty and fashion. This video is created for educational and entertainment purpose only, so subscribe to the Insta Fashion Glow. Stay tuned.